Question number 1 is, solve the following equations using quadratic formula, and part 5 of question number 1 is, 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x is equal to 0. Let's see its solution. We will rearrange this equation. So, rearranging, this 6x squared is written as it is. Then, this minus 7x is written here. And, finally this minus 3 is written here. Equal to 0. Comes as it is. Comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. The value with x squared is 6. This is our a. So, a is equal to 6. The value with x is minus 7. This is our b. So, b is equal to minus 7. The value without x is minus 3. This is our c. So, c is equal to minus 3. This last value will be taken to next page. The value is written. Now, using quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, x is equal to, this minus is written as it is. Here, we have b, and the value of b is minus 7. So, minus 7 is written here. This plus minus under root is written as it is. Next, we have b squared, and the value of b is minus 7. So, minus 7 square is written here. This minus 4 is written as it is. Next, we have a, and the value of a is 6. So, 6 is written here. Next, we have c, and the value of c is minus 3. So, minus 3 is written here. Divided by 2 is written without any change. Next, we have a, and the value of a is 6. So, 6 is written here. X is equal to minus is plus, as shown in details, and only 7 is written here, because we don't write plus sign with single value in mathematics. Look at details. Minus is plus. In this way the 7 is written. Plus minus and under root. Written without any change. Square of minus 7 is 49. Square of minus 7 is opened by writing minus 7 2 times and multiply them. Here, minus is plus, and 7 sevens are 49. Also, this minus is plus. as shown in extra details. Here, 4, 6 and 3 are multiplied. Become 72. Whole divided by 2 is multiplied with 6. Becomes 12. This last value will be taken to the next page. The value is written. Now, x is equal to 7 plus minus under root are written without any change. 49 plus 72 becomes 121. Divided by 12 is written as it is. X is equal to 7 plus minus written without any change. Square of 121 is 11. Divided by 12 is written as it is. This last value will be taken to the next page. The value is written. Consider this plus minus. X is equal to 7 plus 11 divided by 12, and x is equal to 7 minus 11 divided by 12 is written. This x is equal to 7 plus 11 becomes 18. Divided by 12 is written as it is. X is equal to 18 and 12 are cancelled by table of 6. 6 threes are 18. 6 twos are 12. And this 3 divided by 2 is written here. Similarly, x is equal to 7 minus 11 becomes minus 4. Divided by 12 is written without any change. X equal to minus is written. This 4 is cancelled with this 12. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. And this 1 divided by 3 is written here. Now, solution set is equal to within curly brackets. Smaller value is minus 1 by 3. So, minus 1 divided by 3 is written first. Then, larger value is written. So, 3 divided by 2 is written. Hence, this is our answer.